Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Poco F4 GT. And first of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, so the symbols and the positions I will show you here in the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start. First of all, just scroll on right next to the camera, because at this control center here you will have always here the symbol for the settings. So just tap on it. And now we need to scroll down a bit to the point additional settings. In front of it you will have a gray icon with 3 white points in it. Tap on the additional settings. And now you need the second point, languages and input. And now you will need the first point, languages. Okay. Now you will have a list with all the languages which one are available. Some languages like English or Spanish have some opportunities or some options to choose also dialect. Okay, let's take maybe English here with, so let's keep going on with English and take the dialect here of the United States now, like this. And now I will have here English with the dialect of the United States here on my phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. Yeah, and by the way, with the dialect, if you're asking for why dialect and so on, let me show you a pretty simple example. If you scroll on here, then at the control center you will have here some shortcuts, and one of it is here the flashlight. Now, in the American English it's called flashlight, but in the British English it's called torch. So if you take the English one with the British dialect, you will have named here the flashlight icon torch. Just an example. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.